Exercise 12 word problems. There were 48,213 bags of rice in a godown. If 19,425 bags are taken out, how many bags remain there in the godown? Now, total number of bags were 48,213 and some bags were taken out from the godown. So, those were 19,425. So, question is asking how many bags remain there. So, number of remaining bags will be total number of bags minus taken out bags. So, we are going to subtract it. After subtracting, we got 28,788. Hence, 28,788 bags of rice are left. Question number 3. In an all India examination, 2,87,300 candidates appeared. Out of these, 97,435 failed. How many candidates passed? Now, the question is saying some students appeared for all India examination. Out of them, some failed, and out of them, some obviously passed the test. So, we have to find out number of passed candidates. So, number of appeared candidates, total appeared candidates, and number of failed candidates. So, passed candidates will be total minus failed. So, 2,87,300 minus 97,435. So, after subtracting, we got 1,89,865. Hence, 1,89,865 candidates passed in all India examination. Question number 4. In the year 2015, a company produced 1,03,410 scooties. Next year, the production was decreased by 19,726. How many scooties were produced in the year 2016? Now, the clear information is given that in 2015, scooties produced were 1,03,410. In 2016, scooties were produced, but the production decreased. So, production was less than 2015, 19,726. So, how many scooties were produced in 2016? It was less, so we need to subtract. So, 1,03,410 minus 19,726. After subtracting, we got 83,684. So, how many scooties were produced in 2016? Hence, 83,684 scooties were produced in 2016. Question number 5. The sum of two numbers is 70,350. Sum is given. If one of them is 29,672, find the other. So that means there are two numbers which are added and we got the sum, that is 70,350. Out of those two numbers, one is given. How can we find out the other number? By subtracting the given number by sum. So, 70,350 minus the given number, that is 29,672. After subtracting, we got the answer 40,678. Therefore, the other number is 40,678. We can check our answer that two numbers are added and the sum is 70,350. Question number 6. By how much is 19,987 less than 56,714? Now one number is greater and one number is less. So by how much it is lesser than the greater number? So we need to subtract 56,714 minus 19,987. Minuend is the greater and subtrahend is the smaller. After subtracting, we got 36,727. So by how much it is lesser than 56,714? It is 36,727 less than it. Question number 7. By how much is 90,125 more than 58,478? Now one number is greater and one number is smaller, and it is asking by how much is it is greater, by how much it is more than that. So greater number minus smaller number, 90,125 minus 58,478. By subtracting it, we got 31,647. So by how much it is more than this number? It is more by 31,647. Question number 10. A man had rupees 7,05,000 with him. He gave rupees 3,27,500 to his son, rupees 1,24,625 to his wife, and the rest to his daughter. How much money was received by the daughter? Now total money he was having is 7,05,000. From that he has given 3,27,500 to his son. So now he has less amount than earlier. Now again from that amount he has given money to his wife, that is 1,24,625. How much money was received by daughter? 7,05,000 minus the sum of 3,27,500 and 1,24,625. Now the question is why we have added them. So question is like, first we need to subtract this 3,27,500 from 7,05,000, and then again we need to subtract 1,24,625. So according to our grouping property, we can add both the numbers which are to be subtracted from the larger number and then subtract the sum from the larger number. So step 1 is we have added them and the sum is 4,52,125, and now we have subtracted the whole sum from the total money. So 7,05,000 minus 4,52,125. So the left amount is 2,52,875. Hence the daughter received 2,52,875 because the question says the rest amount, whatever the amount was left, was given to his daughter. Question number 12. A milk dairy produced 70,500 liters of milk in a day. It supplies 28,680 liters to one town and 19,596 liters to another town. How much milk was left with the dairy on that day? It is same as question number 10 we have done. So now, very simple. Total milk produced in a day was 70,500 liters, supplied to town 1 and supplied to town 2. So what we are going to do? This minus this, again minus this. So by using the grouping property, we are going to add supplied to town 1 and supplied to town 2, and after getting the sum, we will subtract the sum from the total milk produced. So step 1, add milk supplied to town 1 and milk supplied to town 2. We got 48,276 liters. Then we will subtract that from the total milk produced. So 70,500 minus 48,276. After subtracting, we got 22,224. That is the remaining one. So how much milk was left with the dairy? Hence, the dairy was left with 22,224 liters of milk that day.